There is a stadium that is almost like a fairy tale come true for people who are passionate about building and design. Mercedes-Benz Stadium, which is Atlanta's newest architectural icon, is a structure that costs $1.6 billion and is entirely made of steel and glass. It also features a retractable roof that is 30 floors high. The much-anticipated project was successfully finished in August of 2017, with notable contributions from HOK design lead Bill Johnson. You're watching YouTube channel Let's Get Techie. In today's video, we're going to take you inside the $1.6 billion Mercedes-Benz Stadium. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Getting back to the video, the Georgia World Congress Center Authority was in charge of developing the new $1.6 billion stadium that took the place of the Georgia Dome as the new home of the NFL Falcons. The stadium's construction began in May of 2014, and it was opened to the public in August of 2017. The stadium has a built-up area of 2 million square feet and is meant to be quickly changed to host both National Football League games and Major League Soccer matches. The form of the roof is mirrored on the exterior of the building in the form of the facade. The designer has intermingled panels of transparent ETFE and panels of metal throughout the structure because of its long lifespan, aesthetically pleasing appearance, and environmentally friendly nature. ETFE was selected to cover the roof. The ETFE film is also transparent to UV light, which prevents it from becoming structurally degraded or discolored when it is exposed to UV light. Due to the inert nature of the film's surface, it is resistant to the chemicals, dust, and contaminants that are carried via the air. The ETFE, located on the west side of the stadium, is almost 16 floors tall and spans 22,500 square feet. It provides floor-to-ceiling views of the surrounding city. The openness, which has earned the stadium the nickname Window to the City, makes it easy to see and move around, while also helping the stadium reach its ambitious environmental goals. The roof was the starting point for the design of the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Conventionally, the design of a stadium usually starts with the seating bowl. This implies that the retractable roof may appear to be an architectural afterthought because it will slide open and closed in a very typical manner. However, the design team for the Mercedes-Benz Stadium rethought the retractable roof by redefining the design process and beginning with the stadium's exterior before moving indoors. The architect created an oculus ceiling with 8 ETFE pedals that open and close like a camera aperture in less than 8 minutes. He was inspired by the Pantheon and the way the circle of light reaches the playing field. The angular aspect of the roof, as well as the way in which it aligns perfectly with the front of the building, was motivated by the shape of the Falcons' wing. This is a tribute to one of the two home teams, the other being Atlanta United. When the weather outside is unfavorable, the roof may be lowered to shield the players and the crowd from the weather. When the roof is raised, natural sunlight can enter the stadium. When you enter the stadium, the next significant feature that catches your eye is the 360-degree halo video board that is located in the center of the roof. The distinctive aperture in the ceiling served as the inspiration for the creation of the halo video board. The design team intended to keep the roof opening unobstructed and preserve the integrity of the architecture, so they decided against installing a center-hung scoreboard as you find at most other stadiums. In order to do this, they considered other methods through which the video board might be incorporated into the framework of the building. The 6-story tall 360-degree halo video board is integrated into the structure in such a manner that it creates the possibility of experiencing media within the circle. This halo video board puts players right into the action of the game while also providing a canvas on which digital media may be shown in ways that players have never seen before. Apart from that, the stadium also has other displays named Mega Column, which has a footprint of 6,700 square feet, making it larger in area than the primary video displays at 24 Major League Baseball parks and 19 Major League Football stadiums combined. The column gives the immersive Halo video board another way to add to its content. There are a number of different seating choices available within the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, including 7,600 club seats and 190 premium suites. Depending on the requirements, the capacity may be increased all the way up to 83,000 seats. In addition, there are 24 bars and restaurants within the stadium, in addition to a technology lounge and a bar located at the 100-yard line. The stadium is equipped with digital media platforms, one of which is the world's biggest 360-degree HD video halo board, as we discussed earlier. The board offers fans tailored material that can be programmed in advance. An LED display covering 64,000 square feet is included on the halo board. The board has a height of 58 feet and a circumference of 1,075 feet, and it offers supplemental camera views and digital content for the benefit of the viewers. In addition to the halo display, the stadium has 12 other LED screens that offer live video and replays in club sections and peripheral displays. Furthermore, the stadium is equipped with energy monitoring systems and energy-efficient glass. The stadium takes an unusual approach to environmental responsibility. The flood-prone west side of Atlanta is protected by a cistern that spans 600,000 square feet and reuses the rainfall it collects. The cistern also serves as an irrigation supply for trees located across the city. The location has over 4,000 photovoltaic or PV solar panels, as well as multiple links to various forms of public transportation, an urban garden, and open leisure areas. Because of this, the Mercedes-Benz Stadium may feel especially proud of many aspects of its design, since its architects have given serious consideration to the larger impact the stadium will have on the places that surround it. It has been made certain that these structures will have the kind of influence that modern towns and cities so richly deserve. In this particular area, Mercedes-Benz Stadium has established a new standard. The stadium has plans to construct many extra doors in an effort to alleviate crowding at the entrances and exits. During the stadium's first year of operation, spectators who attended important events frequently voiced concerns and complaints over the excessive crowding and congestion that occurred within the venue. Significant delays were reported by fans attending the college football national championship game when entering and departing the stadium, with some fans claiming wait times that exceeded 45 minutes to get out of the stadium after the completion of the game. So it is likely that in the near future, the stadium will have more entrances and exits than it did before. That's all for today's video, guys. How many of you guys have gotten the chance to visit the stadium, and which matches have you watched there? Tell us your views in the comments section below. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, cheers.